Hello everyone, this is Srikant Rajan. Welcome to Stock Market Podcast from EP-147, the only community where you get guided assistance to invest in stock market, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits and all kinds of insurance. If you're not a part of this amazing community yet, visit our website mp-invest.com to join the free investment community. Coming to stock market, of course, after as we discussed in the meeting, we have seen good performance by the mid and small cap sector in the last week, comparatively, the weaker side of the Nifty 50 index, because the Nifty has been, of course, weakened by the selling that came in by the FIAs on the last 2 days. But then, yes, the markets. One good thing I would really say is the Indian market is really resilient to all the weakness that is seen globally right now. So the US market, if you see, on Thursday was on the positive side, but on Friday again they closed in a big negative. So there are a lot of concerns around the US markets, majorly because of the inflation woes. But apart from that, when the interest rate hikes, detail has come on the Jackson Hole Symposium, things have kind of turned turtle there. So one major news that we should wait for, like I told you in yesterday's meeting, is that the Federal Reserve Chairman, Mr. Jerome Powell, is having a talk at an institute on this on Thursday, so evening after Indian market close. So where he may detail out about the plans for future. So that could actually give some more clarity on what is going to happen. But then, with 5 continuous days of selling in US market, on sixth day, that was on Thursday, there was slight buying, but then on Friday it again fell. But I would say for now, US markets also would tend to be more of on a sideways right now. That means no big movements towards down or up, and probably we could see consolidation happening there. And similar sentiment can be seen in India as well. So that is what we are expecting for India this week right now. So apart from that, if you look at some stock-specific news, Bharat Electronics is in news as they have signed MOU with Smiths Detection India to manufacture high-energy scanning systems. So that's something really good. So already Bharat Electronics has been touching 52-week highs multiple times, but of course we booked out profits and come out. But yes, it is a good stock, probably to be having on a longer term. So apart from that, 197 or Paytm is in focus because Paytm and Razorpay offices in Bangalore has been having a raid by the ED Enforcement Directorate because of a case linked to illegal instant smartphone based loans. So they say that this is controlled by Chinese people and there is a raid going on. So that can be slightly negative to Paytm. So let's see how Paytm recoups with that. So apart from that, we can look at IndusInd Bank, which has actually joined hands with Asian Development Bank, and they are working on promoting supply chain finance solutions in India. So that is something really good. So of course, banks have been doing well already. So this could actually fuel up IndusInd Bank as well. Mahindra Lifespace Developers is in focus as their MD and CEO has come out and said that they are targeting a 2.5-fold jump in the annual sales. And that's of course expected because we have been speaking about infrastructure being industry being in focus, and this can be one more stock that can be added to our radar. So this is something that's added, and of course I will be announcing in the group when I add this into my portfolio. So let us look forward to a great start to the week. So since the US markets are going to open only in the evening, we don't have real any cues except for the negative cues of negative closing that happened in the US. So apart from that, if you look at the Asian markets are already trading kind of mixed since morning. So in fact, in the morning we could till morning SGX Nifty was indicating a gap down, but after that it started moving upwards. It went up to almost 17,550 levels, and from there it has kind of again gone down and settled somewhere close to 17,511. So that means we could expect a small gap down or a flat opening to SGX Nifty, or to Nifty in India. So similarly, if you look at the Asian markets, if you see the Asian markets, Hong Kong is down by 1.96%. So basically, because after the US markets closed in negative, that reaction is seen in Hong Kong. It's almost down by 2% now, And if you look at Shanghai is down by 0.01%, Japan is down 0.19%. But if you look at China or Hong Kong, they are down because majorly there is a purchase managers index data being expected today. So that also might be giving some jitters as the economy is still not recovered in China. So that's something that may be in focus that side, because of which there is a 2% fall, which is of course big. But I'm not expecting a Nifty to react so big to it. So we might see some consolidation continuing. And like I told you, I am expecting a closing of this week within the range of 17,000 to 17,800. So this is something which I'm expecting, and that's exactly how I will be placing my trades, in the Gold Club. But apart from that, if you look at stock-specific movements, banks have been really bullish of late, so that is something needs to be focused on. Apart from the auto sector and the infrastructure industry, so realty sector, these are three sectors which we should be focusing on right now. So that can actually give out some really good returns by Diwali time, and especially with the Diwalis and the festive season starting kicking off soon. And also you must be aware the big billion day at Flipkart and the big sale at Amazon, big Indian sale at Amazon is getting ready this week. But all that we should be able to see some good movement in the retail sector. So looking forward to a great start to the week. Let's see how the market moves today. And for today, I would say the major support I would say on the lower side would be 17,400. On the higher side would be around 17,600. So 17,600 on the higher side, which is not a great resistance, but 17,700 is going to be a major resistance. So these are things that's to be look forward to. So apart from that, if you look at Bangalore has been one of the experiencing one of the biggest rainfalls of this season. In fact, last night the way the market actually market, I'm talking about market again. Okay, so the way it was raining all around in Bangalore, I'm sure a lot of places in Bangalore must be flooded. I hope all of you are safe. So let us sail through this as well. So it's not just the market now; it's also the climate that needs to be sailed through. So this is specifically to members from Bangalore. So with that, let us look forward to yet another great day. Wish you a profitable week ahead and a day ahead. This is Srikant Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share this podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. So, wishing again a great day ahead. This is Srikant Rajan signing off. Goodbye.